Alright, quick one for all my car owners, especially Changan drivers, because this is one of those small accessories that actually makes a big difference. This right here is the car seat leak-proof storage strip, designed specifically for models like Changan CS15, CS35 PLUS, CS55, CS75, CS95, CS85, Oshan X7, UNI-T, UNI-K, and more. If you're tired of your phone, keys, coins, or cards falling into that annoying seat gap, this solves that problem instantly. These strips slide right into the seat crevice, filling the gap and stopping things from disappearing forever. They're made from soft, durable polyurethane, so they fit snugly without scratching your interior. Plus, they look clean and factory style, and they come in multiple colors like black, red, brown, and beige to match your car's interior. Installation: super simple. No tools, no glue. Just insert them between the seat and the console, and you're done in seconds. You get 2 pieces in the box, 1 for each side, and honestly, at this price, it's a no-brainer upgrade for daily driving. Click the link in the description below to buy and save yourself the headache of dropped items. If you enjoy simple car accessories like this, hit the like button, comment below if your car needs this, and subscribe for more smart tech and car gadget reviews.